In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the voice navigation in Google Maps not working on your Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, voice navigation issues in Google Maps on Android are typically caused by Bluetooth hijacking or a hidden mute toggle within the app's new AI interface. So the first thing you want to do is firstly, go ahead and test the Google Maps overlay. So start a journey. You have to actually physically start it. I just started a random one right now. Then on the right, you're going to see a few different icons. Go ahead and press this volume icon, and you want to make sure you're not muted or it's not on alerts only. You want to make sure it's completely unmuted. When it's unmuted, that's how you're going to basically be able to hear things. Also, you want to go ahead and make sure you don't have anything on Bluetooth that's connected, like AirPods or a external speaker. Maybe it's being played out of that, which obviously you don't want. The final thing that we could go ahead and do is go over to our settings application, scroll down towards the bottom, and you're going to see apps as one of the options, and then go over and find your Google Maps. So we're just going to go to Google right now. And if you don't see it, then you just want to go over to M for maps, of course, and it's going to be right there. Scroll down, go to storage, clear cache, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.